some basketball. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of crossover moves, and hopefully you learn a thing or two. So take out your notepads so you can write some of this stuff down. Now I'm gonna show you. This one is gonna be so you can just pull back and do like a jump shot. This is how you can create some space. So this is what I like to do. I'm right-handed, so it's gonna be a crossover to your right, and you pull back. Alright guys, this move is gonna be one that I like to use when I want to do like fake that I'm gonna do a shot. So basically this is what it looks like. You're here, you have the ball in your left hand and you're gonna shoot. You act like you're gonna shoot, so you almost palm it. You didn't look at the basket. You gotta look at the basket. So this is what it looks like basically. So basically what it does is you act like you're gonna shoot it, and then the defender comes up to you, and you just go right by him. So let me show you one more time. Back a little bit from this way. All right, guys. Let me show you a little skill that I like to do, so I could practice my crossover. Check this out. It's like almost like around the world. It's doing circles. So like that. Do that, a few times a day, and you'll perfect your crossover to the right. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you something. It's called backpedaling. You'll see it a lot in high school. You do it because when you're playing defense, sometimes you gotta backpedal because you want to see the ball all the time. So I'm gonna show you basically what that is. So what you do is you run over there, you come back, running backwards. But check this out. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you something I like to do to sharpen my ball handling skills. So kind of looks like Steph Curry, but chill. Nah. So check it out. Alright, let me show you this move. Is basically what I do is you fake that you're gonna go left and you bring it back super fast, kind of like a S or like a C, so like that. So what what I like to do is cross over this way and then do that move. So it kind of looks like this. Let me do it slow. Alright guys, let me show you a combination of all the moves that I've showed you today. Alright, check this out. Saw that, right? That's the combo right there. Check it out. Basically, to your right, pull back, act like you're gonna shoot, and go right. Crossover left, crossover left, pull back with your left, act like you're gonna shoot, and go to your right. Let me show you this move that I like to do when I really want to fake someone out. Like if they're not paying attention, or if I want to kind of intimidate them a little bit, I like to do this move. Or if I'm in transition, if I'm running down the court and I want to act like I really want to act like I'm gonna fake a pass. This is what I like to do. You act like you're gonna pass it, and right at the end, when you extend, you bring it down. So, try that out. Try to incorporate it into your dribble, and it's handy. Just try to do it. Check it out. If you're gonna inbound it, alright, I'm gonna show you a move, guys, that I like to do at home to practice, to enhance my dribbling skills and to sharpen my dribbling skills. But first, let's talk about one thing: the hoop. that hoop is the hoop that I like to use in my house. I do use the backboard a lot, and it goes in, but don't get too comfortable with it. You know, if you want to get really good at basketball, stay with one hoop. If you switch around the hoops, it messes up your shot. So keep that in mind. You know, especially when you want to sharpen your shooting. You only want to stick to one hoop. But hoops like this is like a fiberglass backboard. I use the backboard a lot and it goes in. So if you come play me in my house, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be a tough to win. So yeah, let me just follow me over here to the chair, and let me show you my move that I like to do. You do this a couple times a day, and it just sharpens your skills, helps you get a better grip on the ball, a better feel for the ball. So I like to do it whenever I get a chance. You know, if you have smaller shorts, it's easier. Don't look at it, it's harder, but obviously you're gonna get better, because when you're dribbling, you don't want to be looking at the ball. You want to be looking at the court, and you know, you want to look for the open person. So you want to keep your eyes up. So if you get good at this, you're gonna be better with the ball. Do this a couple times a day. You get better. Every day you get a little better. Higher dribbles. Try to do harder dribbles. You know, switch the legs. If you mess up, don't worry. Just pick it up, do it again. Okay guys, so remember, the most important thing is to be a good sportsman. You know, you don't want to be a crybaby. You don't want to call every single foul. You know, you want to be aggressive, but you don't want to play rough. And yeah, that's all I can tell you for today, guys. If I think of anything else, I'll make another video. So if you want to like and subscribe, that'll be good, so you'll know right away when I do another video. You don't find out like a year later, or whenever you decide to come back to YouTube, you could actually find out. You just hit like and subscribe, and you'll find out when I get when I put another video. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.